In this video, I will show you how you can enter into download mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just power off your Samsung phone. To do that, just open the control center, then tap on the power icon. And from here, just select power off. Once your Samsung phone is completely powered off, then just bring the charging cable of your Samsung device and make sure that the cable you're using supports data transfer. If your cable is only for charging, this will not work. So make sure you use a cable which supports data transfer. After that, just connect one end of the charging cable to your laptop or to your PC. Now you don't have to do anything on your laptop or on your PC. Just connect one end of your cable to your laptop or to your PC. After that, just grab the other end of the charging cable and plug it into your Samsung phone. But before you do that, just press and hold the volume down and the volume up button at the same time. And just keep pressing and holding both of these buttons. And while pressing and holding both of these buttons, just plug in your cable into your Samsung phone. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. Now after that, your Samsung phone will enter into download mode. And as you can see, it is saying press the volume up button to continue. And as you can see, this is how you can enter into download mode on your Samsung phone. Now once you're done using download mode, and if you want to exit download mode, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep pressing and holding both of these buttons for 7 seconds. And once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.